Hello and welcome to this overview of the WordPress system. WordPress is an open source technology. It's been developed by contributions from probably thousands now of people over the last 10 years that it's been in development. It's an ongoing development and there are over 70 million websites today using WordPress. It's estimated that 1 in 5 website domains registered will be using WordPress. Although there's all these different people contributing to the development, there is effectively one official version which is updated regularly. About once a quarter we get new updates, and those updates are official releases and they become the latest version that people should be using on their websites. WordPress is a content management framework, and what that means, it's an environment into which you can add content and control your content. So the content control is down to the administrator, which is usually something to do with the owner of the site. And the nice thing about WordPress is that it runs on Windows and Linux. In fact, it will run on almost any hosting system out there. So there's plenty of places that you can put your website. When I think of WordPress, I like to consider it as being a system with 4 parts in it. There's the WordPress core, the WordPress theme, your content, and WordPress plugins. So the WordPress core is the basic environment into which everything else sits. It's a bit like the foundations of a building site. You have your foundations, your services, your access, all organized, but there's nothing to see. There's no building. So within the control dashboard of WordPress, you can add your content, you can choose your theme, you can administer plugins, and generally run the site. WordPress is delivered with a default theme because otherwise there's nothing to get started with. So let's have a look at themes. WordPress theme is the layout for how your site will look. It's a bit like a set of building plans. Anybody can create a WordPress theme, and there are thousands already out there that have been created, many of which are available free of charge. These themes allow you to customize things like your logo, basic colors, and more advanced themes may have other features like changing the size of the headings and generally playing around with the theme. So once you have a theme, it is possible to customize it further. If you find there's another theme that's better, you can just go into your dashboard and administer a new theme. So themes should be interchangeable, but you do need to check the quality of the theme builder to make sure things work exactly as you wish them to be. Once you have your theme, then you can start adding your content. So your content allows you to start making pages, uploading images, using other content, maybe videos, whatever your bounds of your theme is designed to allow you to use. Of course, your content is a component in its own right, so if you do decide that you need your theme to change, or you update your theme, or you even change your theme completely, your content will still carry on working. It will just adapt to whatever the layout or the theme is that you've given it. And that would be enough to run a website. In fact, websites will run at that level, but there is a 4th component which I did warn you about, and that's called plugins. What I like to think of as the secret sauce of WordPress. The plugins allow developers to provide you with code which can be incorporated into your WordPress site to do things that are not available in the standard version. So in our analogy, I would think of it as adding a special high-tech oven or a dishwasher, something that wasn't available there in the original plans. Now these plugins again should work on any site, but it is a question of how well they've been written and do they fit into the way the theme has been set up. However, there are again thousands of plugins that have been developed, and you may find many of them that all try and do the same thing. We have, I think, 4 or 5 plugins up we use ourselves, which all allow you to put videos onto pages, but they all have slightly different features and the way that they treat the videos is slightly different. So we have 4 or 5 that we use even today. And that is effectively all there is to WordPress. It really is that easy. So thanks for this overview, and the next thing I suggest you do is have a look at one running live. Thanks for watching.